Hi boys and girls, today we're going to learn a new way to multiply with larger numbers. We'll use an area model and partial products to help us solve these larger problems. Let's take a look. We're going to try to solve the problem 19 times 18. Just like when we did the distributive property last chapter, we're going to break apart using an area model. So I'm going to first draw out 19 by 18. All right, so I've drawn out a 19 by 18 square, 18 across and 19 going down. First, I'm going to break apart the facts into tens and ones. I'm going to break apart each factor into tens and ones. So 19 would be 10 and 9, and 18 would be 10 and 8. So I'm going to do that in my grid. So I have 18 going across, so I counted out to 10. So I'm going to break it up. So that's 10 and 8. And then I'm going to do the same thing going this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have 10 and 9. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I am going to have my 4 different rectangles and I'm going to find my products for those. So I'm going to do 10 times 10 in this box, which is 100. I'm going to do 10 times 8 in this box, which gives me 80. Then I'm going to do 9 times 10, which gives me 90, and 9 times 8, which gives me 72. Okay, we see that? So I could even like bring this down and show that that's the 10 and that's the 8 still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, found a mistake. It should be one more down. There we go. Now once we found our partial products, the last step is to add them all up. So I'm going to do it on the side. 100 from this one plus 80 plus 90 plus 72. Add them all up. 2, 24, and then 3. So my final answer for 19 times 18 is 342. Let's try one more using the area models. Let's try one more. 15 times 21. So I'm going to use graph paper, and I already did. I'm going to make a area model. So I have 15 times 21. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break apart both of my factors. 15 I'm going to split into 10 and 5. And then 21 I'm going to split into 20 and 1. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll break this apart. So now I have 10 and 5. Then I'm going to break it into my tens and ones again. And we'll just do this. That's 1. And the rest is 20. Now what we have to do is we have to multiply each part. So 10 times 1, what we obviously know is 10. And 5 times 1, which is 5. Then I'm going to do 10 times 20. And 5 times 20. And find my partial products. So this would be 200. And we have 5 times 2, which is 10, and add our 0 in. Okay, so my partial products are 10 5, 200, and 100. So I'm going to have to add up all of those to find my final. So 200 plus 100 we know is 300 plus 10 plus 5. So our final answer is 315. So 15 times 21 is 315. Tomorrow we'll work more with area models and partial products. Have a good night.